Okay, here we are on September 15th or so, 2021. Ooh, gosh, there's a gouge right there. That's not good. At any rate, I found this on the side of the road, and it's a drop leaf table. As you can see, it's a nice table. It just needs a little bit of work. It was free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this puppy down, and I'm going to refinish it. Okay, that's about 100 times better. Yeah, beautiful. Now I'll just come through with some hand sanding, and then I will, put a nice new coat of varnish on there. Be good to go. All right. Then move all this stuff. I'm gonna get myself a rag, and then we're gonna start staining. All right. Ooh, that's a very orangish looking thing, but I know it's the right color because I used it before. So here we go. Doesn't change it a lot, just a little. Make sure that if it gets down in the crack here, it doesn't drip. There we go. All right. A little chip there. That's okay. Little bit of damage. Gotta fix that, I guess. Perfect. Now it dries for a bit. Give it a little bit of sanding, and then I'll varnish it. First coat is done, and it's relatively dry. It's got a little bit of gloss, but you can see there's a lot of spots where it still needs to fill in. What I did was I do the first coat, and then I come back with a piece of 220 sandpaper, sand out all the rough pieces, and then I come back, and now I'm going to do a second coat.
Carpo's channel, 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 Carpo's channel.